Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to read Binance chart. Reading Binance chart is essential for analyzing price movements and making trading decisions. Here's a step-by-step guide to understand the basics of the Binance chart. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Binance. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, click on the trade option, which is at the top navigation bar. After that, click on Spot button. Now, select the cryptocurrency pair you want to analyze. Now, you need to familiarize yourself with chart components. It is a candlestick chart. The default view on Binance is candlestick chart, where each candle represents a certain time period. For example, 1 minute, 1 hour, or day. Green candles represent a price increase within the time interval. The bottom of the green body shows the opening price and the top of the body shows the closing price. And the red candle indicate a price decrease. The top of the red body shows the opening price and the bottom of the body shows the closing price. The wicks, which is the thin lines above and below the body, represent highest and lowest price during the intervals. Binance chart include a range of technical indicators. Here are a few commonly used ones. Moving average, which shows the average price over a certain period, for example, 7 days or 30 days. Moving average help identify trends by smoothing out price fluctuation. Another is relative strength index, which measures the speed and changes of price movements. Value above 70 indicates overbought conditions, while value below 30 indicates oversold condition. Below the main chart, you can see volume bars. Volume represents the total amount of trading within the time interval. High volume on large price move can indicate stronger trade. By understanding these basic chart elements and patterns, you can better interpret price trend and make informed trading decisions. So that is how you can read Binance chart. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.